Welcome back to Creating with Poetry Science. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can edit this Clack Fan template. Okay, this Clack Fan template is a bundle. It comes in different file formats. The first one is a drag and drop Canva frame. The second one is a vector, like a SVG. You can change the colors on it. You see when I click on here, when I click on the SVG, you see the color here. You can change the color. You see that you're able to change them. Okay, I think it was this one. Yeah, and the other ones are just backgrounds that you can add your layers, like your picture and text on top of it. I have it in two different colors: purple, violet, gold, and pink gold. Okay, let's go here. I'm going to talk about this part today, the SVG part. Like I said, you can change the color to fit the color of your image, like the image you want to use. In this case, I use purple because these graduates, their gowns are purple, like purple kind of. But let me see. I think I have other pictures here. Let me grab them really quick. Let's go down. Okay, let's say we were going to use these, like this lady. I'm going to delete these ones, and I'm going to show you how you can customize it. I'm going to remove the background. That's why you should have Canva Pro, because you should be able to remove the background in here easily. And I'm going to remove the background of this one too. Okay, so we have these two ladies, these two graduates. I'm gonna bring them down here. One of the things I also do is add a filter over the design, over the image, so that it can look better. I will keep it selected, go to edit, and I'll go to here, filters. And then you can scroll and see which one will be better for your image. I'll see, take this one. There are also other ones like these ones, but I'll stay with this one. For this one, I think we will have to take a lighter one like this, because the image is a little bit dark already. Okay, so we have these two ladies, and then I'm going to change the background to fit the color of their gown. Not in here, but just here. Click on here, and then if you want to, you can go in here and get the dropper, and you can choose which color you want to have in there. Let's say this one, if you want this, or you can do it lighter, a lighter color. You see that? So it's up to you how you want it to be, or you can do it with gold. Go back here, whatever color you see fit, you can use on here. Okay, whatever color you see fit. So I'll keep it on this one. You make it a little bit darker. Okay, let's say we keep it on this one. So everything here we're going to edit to fit the design. You see this here, these are blurs that you can use. To be able to see whatever you have here, you can go in position and then go to layers, and then you see all the layers up here. So now we are here. I'm going to show you how to add a blur over here so that you see this line, so that you can cover this line. Okay, how to cover it. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this one. I shouldn't have deleted it. I'm going to ungroup them. Ungroup it. Okay. And now I'm going to Let's go back in there. Here, I'm going to delete all of them and I will leave only one. I'm going to delete this one too. Yeah, this one. We're going to work with this one. So I'm going to bring it to the front. It should be here on top of the image. So now we're going to change the color. I'll show you how to change it. You select on this color. You go in edit, and then you go in duotone right here, duotone. And then we're going to change these colors to this background. Click on it, grab the dropper, you do this. Okay, you go to the second one here, grab the dropper, get it here, and then you have it. You see, now you can use it as a blur. The other thing you can do, you can duplicate this blur, click on it and then duplicate it, and then bring it over the other one. You see that? You see how beautiful it is? Now you can go back to position and put these blurs together and then group them. And then you group them, okay? And then we're going to duplicate this one too. Let's see. Select it, duplicate them, and bring it over here. What you do, you drag it down and put it here because you want it to be on top of the picture. And then you can fix it. One thing too, the size of this is like the actual fan is 25-inch wide by 13-inch high. With this template, I made it like 25.5-inch wide and 13.5-inch high, like the height of it, because I want to add like margin bleed to it so that when you print your design is not too small. Okay, so when you are customizing it, take that into consideration that a small part from here won't come on your design. A small part around it will be cut off. That's why you should put your design, like your information, put it a little bit closer into the middle. Take the margin into consideration. Okay, so we are good here. I have a 2025, this one here. I have it behind the lady, so I'm going to bring it to the front. I'll select all. Actually, I'm going to group all. And then bring it up here because it should be on top of the blur. So we put them here. Okay, this here, I have it. You can change this if you want to add another text here, something else. You can change it. So let's go to the purple, this part with senior. I will go in here and choose a color. Okay, I've chosen that. But I could also choose this, and then go to effects and add the blue, like the bluish color around it, like this one. You can do that too. For congratulations, go back here. We can have this in there with the effects, with the gold effect, like so. You can change the name to whatever name you want it to be, the school, and you can add more elements that you see fit. You can, if you want to add glitter or something else, you can type in here gold glitter. Okay, and all the glittery elements will be here. You can choose whichever one you want. If you don't want the background this color, you can change it. So like I said, when you customize it, take the margin into consideration, like the print border into consideration. When you print, everything will come, but when you press it on your Clack fan, some pieces here won't be visible. Okay, make sure you keep your designs, your information inside. Okay, and let's go to the other one here. This one, let me show you something. Let's use this same lady on here. we're going to use this same lady on here. These same ladies, I'm going to delete these ones. Actually, let me duplicate it. Okay, like this one, I'm going to delete the ladies here. I'm gonna leave the rest here. Let's say we're going to use these same ladies here. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna copy them and bring them to the background here. Okay, but they are on a purple background. What do we do? Let me show you how to change the background. When you select it, it will come here. You see that here? You click on the purple and you run it to blue. You see that? You get the blue in it. If you want to make it pink, it will come out pink. If you want to make it like brown, anything you want it to be, it will come in there. If you want to make it red, you see you will get the red. Make sure you select the red, the color here that you want to change in it, and you can change it. Orange, you will get the orange. Gray, the gray will come. Green, you see that you have it. If you want to change the gold part, you can go here and change the gold, like work with it. The darker, the lighter, however you want it to be. Okay, we were on blue. I'll go to the dark blue and change it to the dark blue. Here the gold. Let's see. Yeah, change it to the gold. I think it will come out silver too. If you want to do it silver, it will come out silver. So you can change it. And the background, I think the background is amazing. Since we are, let's go here. Since we are with gold, we'll keep it gold, okay? Here, and I'll choose, let's see, this one, or a lighter form, yeah. Yeah, keep it gold. Okay, and then we do the same. I will bring this to the background. You go to position, and then let's bring this to the front here. Okay, this here. I'm looking for this. Oh, it's on the other side. So this one should be here because it should be on top of the lady right here. Okay. And this one should be also on top of, it should be here. Yeah. 2025. Okay, let's go down. This, we're going to bring it over here because we want it on top of the lady here, and the you did it should be also on top of here. And make sure that you know, you keep it here because it also has a margin, like a print plate around it. Let's go up here to the congratulations. It should have the effect, that's the outline. It should be blue. Okay, I can have it blue. And this here, I will have it blue also. No, not the effect. The text, have it blue with the gold around it. You can change how you have it, how you want to have it. You can move these. If you want to add more stuff to it, you are free to do that. But these are really useful to celebrate your graduate, or if you are a crafter that take orders from customers, you can also offer these as an extra in the bundle, and you can make extra money with it. Also, I'm going to show you where you can get these fans. You can get them from Etsy, but you can also get them from Amazon. I have checked with people that I trust here online in the craft world. When you go to, I will leave this link for you. This is my Amazon storefront. When you go in here, you see this right here. You click on it, okay, and then you see them here. You go to the, you go, and then you can get them from Amazon here. You can scroll down. Let's go here. Yeah. Okay. The fabric here is nylon. Nylon is kind of like polyester. It is printable. Okay. And when I go down here, go down. Where are we? Go all the way, not all the way down. Somewhere here. I found her. I know her from Facebook. I talk to her, not every day, but we talk. You see here, she's making it. She is printing and making it, and you can watch it. And this is her name on Facebook. You can find her there. So she sublimated on it, and I talked to her yesterday about this. You see how big they are? Like they are 25-inch wide. That's why the template is that big too. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Amazing, amazing. Okay, so I showed you how to customize it, and I also showed you how to get it from Amazon. How to get it from Amazon. And I've done my research with her. And thank you so much for watching. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.